Now go to SPR or reference IMG. Okay, go to cross application components. Below enterprise structure, cross application component. Yes, go to SAP business partner. Okay, so SAP business partner now.
Business partner.
Then yes, business partner.
Basic settings.
Basic settings. Okay, number range and grouping. Define groupings and assign number range. Now here what grouping you have given. Go to position button and check.
It is SSGR.
SSGR should grouping description, right?
Right.
Okay. Number range is SZ, perfect, right?
Right. SZ.
Go back. Okay, now scroll down, go to master data synchronization.
Customer vendor integration.
Customer vendor integration. Business partner settings. Business partner settings. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Shubhankar lost. Go to SAP business partner. No, where you are searching here? ऊपर जाओ, ऊपर.
Yeah. Actually, I was
Scroll
searching
up.
master data. Right.
Master data synchronization.
Right. Master data synchronization. It is in cross application.
Yes, cross application control. Master data synchronization is there below data protection. See, this you have opened so many times, you have to remember now. Although it is there in your template, how to go to the drill down, drop down actually. Now, business partner, customer vendor integration.
Business partner setting.
Yes. Setting
Vendor.
for vendor integration. Assign keys. Define number assignment for direction between to vendor. Define number assignment for direction between to vendor. Now here, first you check the grouping. Ah, first one is grouping, right?
Sorry.
First one. Hover your mouse to the first field.
Yes, grouping.
First field. Yes, that is what. Grouping. Right? So
Sorry.
make a new entry.
Okay.
Now write your grouping and right side you write your vendor account group. Vendor account group and save it. So this one missing. Now create a BP. Go to slash and BP and create a BP and vendor. Go to other Hana. Here also you can do. Just a minute.
Hello?
What happened, Subankar?
Yeah, now it is showing.
Now it is showing?
Right.
Yeah. So now if you save it, automatically you save it. Yes. So your BP number and vendor number both are coming. Right?
Right, right.
So now you find your error. Okay. You can now stop sharing your screen. Okay. So I have shared some 4 documents for reading purpose already in your mail. So whenever you get time, you read all those documents. These topics we have already covered. Whatever the documents are shared. So these topics I have covered. You can read those documents. Now, yesterday we have started our topic of the release strategy. Okay. So release strategy we will understand in more detail.
Hello?
Yes, Suvankar.
Yeah, actually, I thought I was disconnected. Nothing.
Okay, so yesterday we have started the release strategy. That is, so release strategy, as we have discussed, basically there are 2 type of release strategy. Just a minute, I will share my screen. So, are you getting my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So one is with classification, and another is without classification. So with classification and without classification. Now, when we talk about with classification and without classification, as already I told, without classification, not much used in the industry, and it is not foolproof. But I no, sorry, I'm extremely sorry. Foolproof, I will not say it is proven, but without classification, not that much features are available. But with classification, we have got many features are available. That is the reason with classification we are using. Now this we are using for PR purchase requisition. Then we have for PO, PR, PO. This also we are using. Then we are using for PR, PO. We are using. Then we are using for contract. Then we are using for agreement. Outline agreement, of course, we don't use sometimes outline agreement, but that is also we can use. So OPR, pure contract organization, like this way it is there. So here we are using these releases as yesterday we have discussed. Now so first we will understand the release strategy for PR. So if you go here, so here if you can see release procedure with classification and
Superior
without
voice is breaking.
classification. Now with
Superior
okay,
voice is breaking.
my voice is breaking. Okay, so am I audible now?
It is still breaking
Hello,
for me.
am I
Prashant
audible
Bhai?
now?
Yes, yes, now you are fine.
So as yesterday we have spoken about release procedure with classification. So first is the release strategy. So release strategy is condition, release codes and release period. So what are the things? Release condition, release codes and release period. So there are certain release conditions are there. So what basically condition is? Now let's go to a PR document. One PR document. On the PR document, we have certain material. We have quantity, then we have plant, we have price, and delivery date is also there. Now, if you see any PR document, we have this many parameters are there where we can put condition. One is material. So, for example, if this material then will release, if not this material will not. Or material so and so percent, so and so features will release or not. Quantity up to this many numbers will release, not more than that will not release. So, for example, material we can put, say for example, XYZ 36. This is one material number. So this material will release, or maybe XYZ 37 to 999. This many material will release. Now quantity. Quantity is equal to more than 100. That means what? If quantity is 100 or more than 100 will release. Now plant. Let's take an example. 2510 is a plant. Next is the price. Price is rupees 250 per kg. Delivery date within 1 month from date of PO. Now these are the conditions we are putting. In a purchase requisition document, when we are these are the purchase requisition document, this is there. Now when we are creating a release strategy, we are putting these conditions in the system, whether it is related to material or quantity or plant or price or delivery. So if we put this condition, so the document will be released on the base of this condition. So whether now, as yesterday I've given an example that let's take an example. Shubhankar is reporting to Prashant, Prashant is reporting to me, I'm reporting to Ganesh, or Ganesh is reporting to Abhijit. Let's XYZ name. Now, when we talk about this, there will be some criteria that Shubhankar is going to create a PR and that PR is of 100 quantity. So he is sending to Prashant for release. So Prashant will be able to release 100 quantity, rupee 250 rupees per kg, and within 1 month of date of. Now, when this quantity goes to 1000, Prashant will not be able to release. Prashant will forward that to me because that is not coming Prashant jurisdiction. So because 100 value of 100 and value of 1000 is much better, much higher. So Prashant is don't having the authority to approve the quantity of 1000. So Prashant will forward to me. Now if it is 10,000. So Supriyo don't have authority, Supriyo will forward to his boss. So this way for quantity or price, something like that, we can put some conditions in the and release already I told it is means for approval. Release means basically an approval. Now when you talk about release is all about approval process, then this is release strategy. I've already given the release condition, release codes, and release period. Now, what is release conditions? Already I have given examples of conditions. Now, release code and point a two-character key that represents an individual or department responsible for giving approval. Each person involved in the release procedure signifies an approval in release transaction using his or her release. So, release code will be two-character key, right? As already I told yesterday that here there are two users are there. User new 165 and user new 160. And let's consider my user name is 160. My so there are 3%. Now, if I am creating a PR, I cannot release from my. It can be released from user name 166 or 1 because it is not that I am creating and again I am releasing. It is not possible. Releasing I am approving. So I am creating and I am approving. That is not. So there is a process that authorization is given to different users. So in real time, what happened? Like PR, PO, all these authorizations given to the manager. So manager will release it, and the executive supervisor they will forward it or they will approve it to their level, and then manager will approve it depending upon their authorizations and the release conditions and what. Now, release code and pointer, then release prerequisite. Release prerequisite means what? Says the order in which approval must take place. For example, a manager must approve it before the vice president approves. So, as yesterday I told, for example, here in our scenario, if Suvankar is forwarding the document to Prashant and Prashant is forwarding to me, it means what? Suvankar I will I will approve that document only if Prashant has approved. If Prashant has not approved it, I will not. Because for me, the prerequisite means the initial criteria is if Prashant has approved. So if Prashant has approved it, I can. If Prashant has not approved it, I can. Now question is, there is a question of rejection in approval. Now if I reject it, it will not go to Prashant. It will directly go to the source owner. Who has created that? Who has created Shubham? So if I reject it, it will go to basic square one. That means zero where it has been started. Okay. Now you are getting my screen, right? So we okay. So if I go to now release prerequisite now release status of the indicate. It represents the current status of the item or document such as blocked or released. For example, if the document is not fully approved, it may have been blocked or what. So release status and indicator, that is what I have told. It is release. Release means it is approved, blocked means it is not approved. So there is no question of actually blocked means it is basically rejected, or maybe it may require some editing or upgradations. So now I'll go to the system. So I'm going to SPRO, reference IMG, material management, purchasing, then I have purchase requisition, then I have release procedure. Release procedure. So procedure with classification. Varied characteristics. So yesterday I was talking about the release strategy. Okay, sorry. Now, as if I go to release groups, now you see there is a release group essay. Overall release procedures. It is given as Sara. Somebody has given is given. This is overall release procedure. Then release codes. So what are the release codes basically? So release codes, they are given four codes. One is business head, general manager, plant head, and this. There are so business heads has to approve and BH has to BH. Now is release indicator. So release indicator one is request for quotation, B is block, R is release, and S is release. So request for quotation means what? For this purchase from this purchase requisition, we can create a quotation. So that is one. If release ID is one, that means we are requesting for quotations. If it is B, that means it is block. If it is R, means it is released, and if it is S, means release. So somebody has given his name to release it for the process. So you can also give name. That is okay. So that is what the release indicator. Now is the release strategies. Now here, if you go to the release strategy, there are three strategies as been mentioned. One is SA, and SASB. Now, if I go to the release strategy one, this one, and if I go into detail, now here the first one is release codes is Sarang and general manager. Sarang may be a lower category employee, and above him is the general manager. Now here, if I go to the release prerequisite, you see here general manager has been checked marked. That means general manager has to approve, then only Sarang. Sorry, general manager is checked marked. That means for Sarang, general manager has to. This has been given to the Sarang. So Sarang is there actually who has to approve, then general manager will approve. Now next is release statuses. So here if you see release Sarang, it is given. But here you can change the status. Like first one you can instead of S you can put B. That means first one is block, second one you can release, and third one is first one is if both the person are not released. Still it is showing release Sarah. Actually it should be B block if both the persons are not released. If one person GM is releasing, then release Sarah. If the two persons are releasing, then release Sarah. So the first one they should release because first one actually nobody is releasing. Right. Next is classification. Now classification as already you can see here. Classification means what? Conditions has been given. Now if you see the last condition, total value of the item is equal to or less than is 500 euro. Total value of the item is less than or equal to 500 euro. Purchasing group, for purchasing group, it is mentioned which of the purchasing group and which of the purchasing organizations and which of the plant. So characters has been mentioned accordingly. Right, so this is what the plant. Now release simulation. Release simulation is nothing, right? See here, if you see here, simulate release. So you can see here, whatever the group and strategy is there, on the basis of first one is release possible, second one release prerequisite mission. So that you can check. Like for this series, there is no prerequisite. So prerequisite is missing. That is what system is saying. And release possible. Okay. Any question till now?
No.
Okay, fine. Okay. So now remember one thing, this release process is like this. In one system, you can have one type of release one. You cannot have multiple means the same A can be released by X or can be released by Y. That is not possible. So flexible workflow for purchase requisitions. Here if you can see. The system getting hanged at. Okay. So I'll I did I share the template of the release procedures?
No.
Okay. Just a minute. Okay, so here I've shared one document, practical 9. So you just and open the system and untail. So Prashant, you do it first. Shubhankar, okay.
Okay.
Yes, you are visible. No, not yet. Share your screen. Okay. So first, the release procedures will go to edit characteristics city04. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll create one characteristics. So how we are going to create a characteristic? First you go to search button. No, not that one. Search button. Search button. There is a box. Yes, yes. So continue. Click on continue. So here we have this many characteristics are already there. So one is the purchase organizations. That is one we can create. Purchase requisition document also we can create. Right. So copy the purchase requisition document. Copy the second one. Select the second one. Okay. Now there is a copy button. No, that there is a copy button beside the basket. Yes, yes. The second button from the last. Second button, yes. Now click here. Okay, already exit. Fine. So ABC 1, 2, 3. Okay, no problem. What you do is you okay, do one thing. There is a paper button. Create it. Yes. So remove that one, two. Now characteristics you have to create. Wait. No. Don't search. Characteristics like, for example, you have Prashant. We are creating purchase document. So what is your purchase document name? I think PRPR, right? Your purchase document means purchase requisition document is PRPR. I think so. That same. No, wait. PRPR underscore doc underscore doc doc. Now then create that paper button. Click that paper button. Okay. Now in the description you can write PR underscore doc. Go to character group. No, wait here. See, this is scroll down. Okay, leave it. Character group, leave it. You do character group, you can skip. No problem. Leave it. Now, single value, multiple value. Data type. Release status is released. Now, data type. There is a data type. Format is there. Data type. Below, data type. Format is there. Yes. It is a character format. Character format. Number of character is 4. Document character is 4, right? 4. Fine. Now go to description. Okay, go to values. Values. Next step, values. Okay. So write your character value. Character value is what? PRPR, yes. And description you can write. Done. PR underscore doc. It is fine. Now go to additional data. Okay. So here additional data. Remember one thing. For purchase requisitions, you have to write the table name and the field name. Okay. You have to write the table name and the field name. So just a minute, I will give you. So you can write the table name as CEKKO. Do one thing. Do one thing. Instead of I say, you just open another screen. Open another screen. Okay. So write /n AC11. Enter. Okay. Write database table CEKKO. CEKKO. All are in capital CEKKO. Yes. Select that one. Go to display. Select that one. Go to display. Bottom display is there. Click the display button. Yes. Now here, this is the CEKKO table and the field name. Now field name is there already. All the field name is there. So you can see here company code, purchasing document category, right? Purchasing order type, purchasing. So order type purchasing, you can make it at BSAT. See, you can see BSART, BSAT. So go to that release characteristics, go to that. No, not here. Other screen, other screen. Go to the other screen. Table name, write CKKO. Table name. What happened? It is gone. CKKO. And field name you can write BSAT. BSAT. BSART. BSAT, right? Now you can save it. Save this. If you have any question, you can ask me, or else you can save it. So one characteristic has been created, right? So this way we have created one characteristic on the basis of a document, right? So we can create based of a purchase organization, we can create based of a plan. So where we are mentioning that values, we go to values. Yes, that's fine, right? So now I go to display, same here, go to the spec, click that spec. Okay, so here if you go to the values, values has not been saved here. Go to additional data. It is their values is not showing. So you have to edit it. Go to change mode. There is a change mode. Pencil is change mode. Okay, now go to values. Write your character value. Yes. And write description. Now save it. Okay, now go back. Now it is showing, right? Fine. Okay. So you can mention here in release procedures we have created one characteristics. Now these characteristics I will assign to a class. So you can mention this one and we will create the class. Okay, so class we will create one class. Class also the same way. You can write Prashant underscore class or PR underscore class. PR underscore class. Okay, now go to class type 032. Class type is 032. Okay, now create button. Okay, so go to description, PR underscore class. Down. Now here you can put this class also, validity also we can put. We are not changing all those things, but we can change. You can see here valid from, valid to button is also there. We can check. Hey, we can change it. Now scroll down. So as of now we are not doing anything change. Don't change it. Leave it there. Leave it there. Leave it there. But I am just giving you an idea. So this you can do. Scroll down. Okay, fine. So go to keyword. Keywords. Or go to characteristics. Okay, write your characteristics here. You have created one characteristics. What is the name of the characteristic? No, PR, something like that. You have created characteristic just now. You have created one. You have to write the characteristics. Enter description of PR underscore doc. Yes. तो अब भूल जाने से कैसे होगा? अभी तो किया PR underscore doc. Now enter. See, description has come, character has come, everything has came. Right? Now you can save it. Done. Now you can check it. Go and check that with what are the class. See, what we have done is first we have created a characteristic and we have created a class. Under that class, we have assigned a characteristic, right? Now assign characteristics to class. That is CL02 we have already done, right? Define release procedure for purchase order. So we'll create for the purchase equation. So go to the system now. SPRO reference IMG, material management, purchasing, purchase equation, release procedure. So there. Release procedure. purchase requisition. Scroll down, go to purchase requisition, go to release procedure. So set up procedure with classification. Third step, yes. Go to release groups. First one, double click. First line, double click. So do one thing, Prashant. You create a new entry. Don't change this one. Go back, go back, go back. Write a release group. Release group you can. No, no. Yes. Go to new entry. Yes, peer underscore class. Overall release check mark. Put a check mark on overall release. Description you can write something PR release, something like that. Some small description you can put. Now save it. Save it. Okay, now go back. See long test. Continue, continue. Go back. Okay, fine, no problem. Now go back. Yes. Okay, release project. Because see, we cannot create two release in the same system. Do one thing, you delete the Sara. Select, delete, save it. Right now, go back. Go back. Second step, release codes. Okay. So here there are there are group and code, right? So if you see here G1, G2 manager here. Okay, fine. It is your creation, right? Hello. Prashant, it is your creation.
No, I am not creating.
Okay. Then go back in the system. So you can make a group of PR. Okay, we'll take this group one. Unnecessary not to create. Go back. Release indicator, third one. So AS, you can write release percent or something like that. Last one, you can delete, you can create a ID of key, release percent, something like that. No, that is blank. Blank is there. You create new entries. Release ID is P. You can write P. Write P. No, not PR. P, P, P. Not there. That is a description. First is, see, there are two boxes are there in the release ID. Two boxes are there. First one box you can write P. First box. Yes. And in description you can write PR release ID. Okay. Now what we can do is we can select two button check mark, release for quotation and release for issue of PO. Both you put check mark and save it. And save it. Go back. Go back. Again go back. Again go to release indicator. Release indicator. Release indicator. Here has been created PR release ID, right? Okay, now go back. Now go to release strategies. Okay, so release strategy here it is saying that PR strategy L1 is more than 50,000 or something like that. Some strategy is given. So what you can write is you can write a group and strategy. First write your group. What is your group? Make a new entry. Yeah. That's all. Now go to release codes. Yes, first box, second box. There are boxes are there. Yes. So no, first don't go in that way. First go to search button. So as you, yes, first you put the same G1, select G1, G2, G3, same way you can go to G1, first select G1, then G2, because we have taken the same, right? Okay. Now go to release prerequisite. Okay, so first what you can do is C1. So see, this is you try to understand. Yes, C1 and C2 you have to. So there are, see, you need to understand that right here. We need to understand. See, there are C1, C2, C3 is in the horizontal as well as in vertical. Now there are, if you see, there are six C1, C2, C3, six, and there are six boxes are there. Now for C3, we need the requisite of C1 and C2, right? So C1 and C2, if you take C1 and C2, so you have to tick two boxes. One is C2, click the C2 box, tick mark. C2, beside C2 there is a box. No, not that one. Yes, that one. Yes. No, no. See, beside C2 there is a box. Beside C2 there is a box. Yes, right. Click that one. Below that one. Below that one. That you, that one you, and that one you release it, and then again go to C1, first one. Yes, that first one, first one. Yes, the first one, first box. Yes, continue. First box, click it and then continue. Continue. Okay, now go to release statuses. First one is block, second one is block, third one and fourth one is release it. Right, so change the block. No, no. See, yes, there is change it. Third one and fourth one. You make it a release for quotation. No, no. Release, yes, release. Release, no, no, not request for release, release. And last one is also release. Okay, continue. Go to classification. Right, order type, purchasing right value is PR. Right, there is a small green, yes, PR. Continue. Right, there is a small button, a small arrow, right side arrow. Can you see in the top, small right side arrow? Not there. Below new entries classification. Yes, click there. No, no, not right side, right side. Right side. See, right side means you are going forward, left side means you are going backward. Now we have to go to release simulation. Right, now simulate release. No, close this pop-up. Right, release strategy. See, there we need to put release strategy. You cannot write, right? Close this pop-up. Go to release statuses. Actually, see, already one release procedure is already created because in one system it is difficult to create more releases. So block release, it is okay. One, two, three, fine. Go to classification. Close this pop-up, go to classification. Value is PR underscore document. Okay, this is your right. Release strategy is PR. Release group also PR. Okay, now go back. Go back. Go back here. Go back here. Yes, yes, save. Yes. Continue. Okay, now select the line, whatever you have created, select that line and go to detail. Detail. Yes. Go to release simulation, last one. Release simulation. Go to simulate release. Release possible, release prerequisite missing, release prerequisite missing. Okay. Close this pop-up. Close this. Go to release prerequisite. Wait here, wait here. Okay, remove the last one check mark. Remove it. Last one check mark, remove it and go to continue. There are two check marks. Yes. Now continue. Continue. Go to release status. No, no, wait. Go to release status. Okay, continue. Save it first. First save it. And no, don't go to the simulation. First save it. And then go to release simulation. Okay, go to release simulation. Go to simulate release. No, still missing. Okay, close this pop-up. Close this pop-up. Go to release prerequisite. See, it has come. Not saving. Continue and save it first. Then come back. See, go back, go back, go back here, go back here. See, it is coming. So there is some error is there. You need to remove it. Go back. We need to remove it. This is error. See, actually there is some error in prerequisite. That is the reason it is found. First, you remove all check mark. Go to release prerequisite. Remove all check mark. Continue. Save it. Okay, okay, okay. Wait here, wait here, wait here, wait here. Now we continue. Now go to release status. Okay, continue. Go to release simulation. Simulate release. C1 and C3 there is an error. Go to release prerequisite. C3 is automatically coming. You remove all and save it. I need to check it because see there are already one release procedure is working in the system. Oh, there is some error. Some error. See, do one thing. You leave it. I'll check it. I'll check in the meanwhile. I'll check it. Go back here. Go back here. Go back. Go back this. Go back. Go back. Or cancel it. If it is coming, still cancel it. Please check release status. Okay. Go to release prerequisite again. Okay. Okay. Strategy. Go back. Go to workflow. Okay. So here you have to give new entries. Give to new entries. Click new entries. Write your group. What is your release group? Then write your code. Release code. Yes. G1. And write your plant. Plant is 2510. Okay. And go to OT. OT. Next one. So user. Last one. User. User. Uh, Agent ID. You can write your user ID. Your user ID is username 165. Okay, now next go to again PR. PR, then change to C2. No. Wait. See here in the C2 you write Suvankar 166. Username 166. No. The second one. Okay, and save it. Save it. Actually, we should put three, but we don't have another user ID, right? Because see, if the same person is doing everything, then it will not be turned up, right? So this is you keep this way. I check in the system because there is something error. Either we are putting the same release codes, that is the reason that error is come. I'll check it. So, but seems to be this is like this way we have to work on the release procedure. So Subankar is having any questions on as this is a training system, so already if you see here in the training system we have already somebody has created again Prashant is creating even Subankar. So as already I told, in single system we cannot create multiple authorizations or multiple approval. It is not possible, right? एक ही सिस्टम में आप भी अप्रूव कर रहे हो, शुभंकर भी अप्रूव कर रहे हैं, मैं भी कर रहा हूँ, that is not possible. So in the real time what happened is if you see agent ID, I have put here two agent ID, it should be separate agent ID, the agent ID which is not applicable here. So here actually we should not put 165 and 160. Here we should put other who can go inside and delete. But I don't have any user ID, so I cannot do that one. But in real time, what happens? This will be given a separate user ID so that he or she can release this. Got
Got
my
it.
point?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So this is the release procedure. So today we have done the purchase requisition. Now how it is works in the purchase requisition? There is some error is coming in the prerequisite side, so I'll check it, and maybe tomorrow we'll check in the document also how it is. So PR can be done or something like that. So we have created only one condition, that is for document type. You can create many conditions. You can create document type, you can create plan, you can create document value, anything you can create. So that is possible in the PR as well as in the PO. So that we can create in the tomorrow's classes. That is possible. We'll create it and then we'll use some PR and PO to check the release. And then tomorrow we'll have another session for tax classification for tax understanding. How tax we are putting in the system, the configuration for tax system base. So these two things we will do.
Okay.
Any question? See, I have already shared four documents to read. Now my concern is as already we are going on 19th, we are our server will be renewed on 19th. 19th our server will be renewed, or maybe 18th night server will be renewed for another 1 month. Now my concern is already 1 month passed. So how far you are far ahead? आप कितने आ चुके हो? How much you have learned as far as the training concerned? Now learning is whether if you learn 10%, 20%, that is okay. But how much you have learned, you have to assess yourself. So for that, I am requesting you please read those documents. Maybe I'll ask some of the few questions. Maybe whatever the topic we have covered, I'll ask in randomly, just like to understand whether you have understood the topics or understood the processes. That's all. Not a difficult but simple, easy questions I'll ask. Whatever the document I've shared on within that document. So maybe I'll ask it on Friday or maybe on Saturday. Fair enough?
Okay.
Okay.
Right. So because see, you have to be if you are planning maybe in month of September or October. September I don't think it's too early. September maybe October, November if you think to switch over. or sharing your CVs or attending for interview maybe after 3 months. Then because see, attending for interview is also a process that you need to understand that